Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I will show you that how you can create a group chat on Messenger. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple and very easy. Make sure that you are connected with your internet. Simply you will open your Messenger application. So at the top corner there is a pencil sign. You will simply tap on that pencil sign. So at the first option there is a create a new group. You will simply tap on create a new group. So here you will select the people which you have to add on the groups. We will tap on these people and you will tap on create. So this group have been created. So this is the process of creating a group chat on Messenger. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.